All right, I am in the, I think it's called Ocean View Tower. Spoiler alert, no ocean view, but we do have a cool view. So when we walk in the door, you have a closet. Oh, that part is not a closet, but let's take a look. Here we go. You got your standard size closet with a safe, ironing board, iron, and a little bit further down to the right, you have this little area that you can get dressed at, I guess, or keep your belongings. And then swinging around to the left when you enter, you have the bathroom. Kind of just a standard basic bathroom. This is, not a newer hotel. It's a more affordable option. Your bathtub. All right. Now let's take a look and go into the main areas. So you have a nice king size bed. Some seating near the window. We'll take a look at that in a minute. One thing that is nice is they give you a coffee maker, water, and a microwave. You can't find that anymore, especially without being charged an extra fee, and it's a larger size fridge. So that is a plus. Get a smaller TV. I'm not sure if that's maybe a 32-inch. And you just have your storage area for clothes. And then when we come around, you just have like a standard AC unit, seating. But here's where the kind of cool thing is. This gets a view of the new baseball stadium that's being built. So that's pretty neat that I get to see it at this stage. We have the Luxor, W, Mandalay Bay over this way. So I do get a partial strip view, which is really nice. Over here, you have the Strip, MGM, New York, Park MGM, Vidara City Center, all of this way over here. All right, so just a standard basic room. These rooms are, a more affordable option for you, so definitely mix reviews online, but here's what the room looked like. All right, and tell me if you stayed here and what your experience has been. And thanks for coming on this room tour with me.